Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Belu, and in today's video we are planning for the week of February 6th till the 12th in my A5 desk planner. Okay, so let's get started. So I thought that for this week, since it's very close to Valentine's Day, I thought I would do like a Valentine's Day loved themed spread. And for that, I have some of these stickers. I mainly wanted to use this one here because I thought it was too cute. So I thought that I could do like an animal Valentine's Day inspired spread, if that makes any sense. So let's see what we end up doing. So this is a sticker sheet that is from Pebbles, and it's extremely cute. So I thought about using this one for sure. So this is going to be kind of like our inspiration for the spread. And then I was like, well, if I am going to do like an animal inspired spread, I wanted to bring on some more animals. And then I thought maybe this donkey with this one, we can do that. I also pulled some other sticker books. This is from Maggie Holmes, from their Sweet Story collection, and this is from their round trip. I have a swan here. There's a swan there. Maybe, oh, here. I knew I will find something somewhere. We have this bird here and this other bird that we can use. There are some birds here as well, but here's the thing, I'm not sure that I want to use them. So yes, I also wanted to use this sticker, which is like a chocolate covered strawberry, very Valentine's Day inspired. So here we have that. It also brings some of the brownish. So let's see what else we can do. What do we have here? Okay, let's see. So let's pull these birds. Let's try to use as many romantic animals as we can find. Okay, let's do that. I also have on the side here some more sticker books that I might do something with, like pull some stickers from. I love this sticker book from Maggie Holmes from their Garden Party collection. And I thought about maybe this rabbit with this one. That could work. Maybe. Let's see. I also pulled this because it has like these little sayings, like love. There is a love here as well. Like lovely. I can also use that. I also have this other sticker book from K & Company. I guess this collection is called Antique and Garden, and I found this gold quotes. So this sticker has gold in it, as well as the strawberries, and I found this three. It says I adore you and my darling. I really like the one that says my darling, so I am going to pull that. I don't know about this design, like with the, I think these are flowers, so I might cut that. So let's see, the I adore you, we can also use that. Let's start putting stickers down. The thing also with this ones, with the donkeys, is that they have the flowers on them. So I don't know if I want to bring them because of the flowers. Maybe I do because the birds kind of match. I don't know if they match the vibe. We also have these cats that we might use as well. Yes, and also, can you tell I have a lot of ideas? In this one, it says, there is a quote that says, "You are my wish come true," and I loved it, and I thought that it might pair well with this one somehow, because this has all the letters all separated, so we can put it in the sidebar. We can do that. So I think that that's what I am going to do. I want this here. Let's see. Okay, there. And then I am going to grab my tweezers and put this quote here and see how that looks. There we go. Awesome. We have that. And I thought, I don't like this checklist here, and so when I was putting this quote down, I thought about this sticker book, the Marble Design sticker book from the Happy Planner, and this one's kind of like confetti stickers. I don't know, call it whatever you want. And I thought about putting them maybe here, like, I don't know, for some reason, like this remind me of like a wish, you know, like stars, like something like that. So yeah, so I can put some here, and let me grab my Exacto. There we go. I don't know if I got anything. Yeah. And then we can put some, like, let me see, like here. Just right there. Kind of. Like that. Okay, good. Okay, I like that. Awesome. Now, what else? I am going to put this aside and focus on the animals. So I think that I want to bring the cats. Maybe. The thing is, if we bring in the cats, this cat is clearly orange. I will need to bring something else that is orange. What else do I bring that it's orange? It's my question. I don't know. I mean, there's this butterfly that kind of matches. I also have this sticker book that is like, it's more autumn or fall stickers, but oh, see, I knew I was going to find something. I have this little one that says together. It's orange. We can bring some of that. Okay, we can use this sticker book as well. Okay, let's bring the cats over there. Let's see. Okay, so these are here, and I thought about these being here. Where am I here? I lose my tweezers very easily. I also thought about bringing in some gold foil washi, and so I have this one that is just gold, and this one that has like little plants, like flowers. It might be too much. I'm just gonna leave it here instead of, in case I want to use it. But let's see. So let's try to put this down here. Okay, now let's see. So let's do this the orange cat, and that one about there. Just like that. And let's rip this wash. Okay, awesome, good. Let's put them down. Now what else? What else? So we have gray, orange, and brown. What a combination of colors. Okay, let's see. Can you see? Let me zoom you in a little bit more so that you can see what I'm doing. I am thinking that if we bring this the birds, I mean, it brings the pink to the side, but it also brings yellow. I mean, the cat has some yellow here, I guess. Do we have anything else with yellow? I have no clue. I mean, we have some flowers that we can use. We can do that. You know what? This, I don't like the quote though. I don't like it. So I am going to take it up. It took me so long to put it down. There's something about those letters that I just don't like, and that's fine. Like, I will leave them here on the side in case I want to add them somewhere else, or I want to put them back down. But for now, I'm not liking them. So there we go. I like it a lot more. I thought about what if this quote here, and I thought about where here, cutting it so that it says "my darling" here in the bottom. So let's do that. Put it down. That is cricket. Okay. There. My. And then we cut the darling down. Oh, that's cute. Okay, yeah, I like that. Okay, good. What else? I think I might want to pull this up. I will use it somewhere else, I think, because I like it. It's just not there, I think. But I will cover that up because I want to bring some of the gold washi here. Okay, where are my, here's my X-Acto. Let's cut it like that. Awesome, awesome. Oh my, okay. And let's cut it like that. Awesome, okay, good. Okay, I like it a lot more so far. Okay, good. So we have that. Do have this together. We can bring that in. Where is here? Let's see what other stickers we can bring that are like orange, because I also thought about using these, the grateful for here, and then the home sweet home for the 10th, because that's when we come home from vacation. So I thought about using those, and also they're quite like, they kind of match. this cat, which is a bit more gray. Also this blessed one, we can do that as well. Let's do Home Sweet Home. Let's put it aside in case we want to use it. Be blessed and be grateful. Okay. Okay, now let's put this Home Sweet Home here. Okay, let's put it down slightly, and I have these flowers. So what if we bring some of these flowers in? Maybe that helps a bit. Okay, so we have that, like this here, and let's also, what if we bring this one as well? Okay, okay, I like that a lot. Awesome. I really like that. You can do the grateful here because of two reasons. One, I don't need this for like a checklist, which is like the original idea. Every page in my planner has that, which I really like. However, I am going to be gone on vacation for the majority of this week, therefore I don't need a checklist here. So I can do a gratitude list here. I like that. Let's figure out the donkey situation. Let's pull them out and see if we like them here. I mean, I love them. It's just, I don't know if I should use them for this spread though, you know? Not sure. Not very sure. Where do I put them? Here's the thing. These two are here. Oh, what if they are there? Oh, that's too sweet. Well, I might do that. Like facing each other. I mean, maybe. But I would love to white out. This is the logo from the company that I bought my planner from. Normally I just leave that because it doesn't really bother me that much, but if the donkeys are facing each other. Okay, let's see, let's put them down slightly. Okay. Oh my. Also, I don't want to cut, you see, their nose, I guess, or their mouth with the punch, with the disc. So let's move them. Oh God, a tiny bit more there. Okay. Okay, that's better. Now you move. That's too cute, my goodness. I'm not sure I like it, but they are cute, I do have to confess. What if we bring, because the majority of the green is here and these strawberries have some green, so I thought about bringing them here maybe. Oh yeah, I love that. Okay, let's put the donkeys down. They are staying in this spread, so okay, awesome. Let's bring in some brown, some of this brown and this like grayish, so I have some sticker books that might help with that. Okay, so I have these heathers that I might use. They are grayish, so they are the same color of this bunny. So that's that. What else? This one. like this checklist. Yeah, that matches pretty good. The thing is, I will only have one checklist. I don't know if I like that though. I mean, we can bring in the hearts. Those are that color brown. We can do the hearts. Let's see what else. What about these? I will just put it there, just in case. And we have some gold hearts, which I will leave open there. Let's see. Tough match. What if we do this one? Gather with grateful hearts. Kind of matches, so I will put it aside. I mean, we can do the remember. I think that will be enough. Stickers. Let's be honest. Yeah. Can you tell? It's falling apart. Yeah, okay. Let's put it aside. And this one has a lot of oranges. But I don't know if it's the same orange. Like this orange is very bright. This one, not so much. I mean, let's see. I don't know. No, not really. Okay, we will pull this to the other side. Okay, I want to bring some of these flowers here, even though this monkey, my goodness, donkey has some flowers. I still would like to bring in some more. And also, there are some butterflies that we can also bring to keep bringing some gold. And a little bit of this orangey color. Let's see. There is this one as well. Okay. And what if we bring this flower? These are a bit hard to pull out because they are cardstock. So yeah. Let's see if we can. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Okay. We can do the same thing we did for here with the flowers. I think we can do the same here, like for the grateful. I think that will be very cute, and it will bring some of the colors in the flowers. Okay, let's see if we can bring some quotes in this box, maybe. I don't know. I mean, it's the same thing as that, so maybe. Where are the quotes here? We have sweet. We have a today. Okay, what if I have an idea? Let's see. We have a today. We might use, this is tiny, but we might use it. We have sweet. If I can pull it out there. Sweet. And one that says pretty. We can use that. Okay, let's see if with that if that helps. What if we do this one that says remember on Sunday? And I have an idea, I think. Okay, let's see. What if we do that? And let's see where's my washi here? My desk is, as per usual, a mess. Every time I plan, it's a mess. So yeah, so hold on. With that, I want to lift the washi. So these are washi tape. Yeah, these are just They are just washi. They come in a roll with all the days of the week, and I love it. It's very convenient. It's this one, and I just use it to date a lot of my spreads. And I will leave it down below if you want to check it out. And where's the remember? Here. I don't know what I will have to remember on Sunday, but I will have to remember something, apparently. And I want to put it in the box, so let's see. There. Okay. Shall we bring... Oh, I had the cutest idea. What if we bring this quote and did something like this, but here? We can do that. And you know what? What if we pull that up and we put that in the middle? So we bring some of the orange over. And where are my scissors though? Here. Okay. So we have to do some surgery, sticker surgery. Got that. Okay. So we put the eye. Let's do it here. Eye. Adore. That's very cricket. What's up with me today? I adore. So I adore you. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. And then, oh, you know what we can do with that? We can bring some of these. So let's see if we can we pull it up? Can we pull it up? Yes, we can. Awesome. So let's see. Oh, that's difficult. Okay, and we put it together here. Now here's the thing, I will have to cut just in the middle, so I have to make sure that the E is in the middle. My God, this spread, it's difficult. Let's see if it worked. Let's see, I've never done this before, by the way. Oh my goodness, I love that. Okay, great, awesome. Let's move on. And I thought about, what if we bring this little header here. Oh, there. And we put this today inside. Yeah, I like that. Awesome. I really like these hearts. Oh, and they kind of match with the bunny. So what if we put it like that, or let's do it like this. I like it. Okay, good. I mean, I really like this one. It says gather with grateful hearts. I mean, everybody is kind of gathered, right? So, oh my, let's put it here. yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. A lot. And then maybe we can put some butterflies here. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Let's bring in, we also bring some more of this color. Okay. A busy sideboard, but we love it. I'm looking at this little sticker book. Okay, I have this flower left, and what I like about it is that it brings some of these this red, and so what I want to do is put it here. Yeah, I like that. Awesome. What else? We can do this one. It says my happy place. We can do it here because why not? Okay, good. We can bring like sweet, and I saw like this, let's see, because I am not sure like what are these called. I don't know, as if they were like little cookies or something, like a little sweet, literally. So maybe what we can do is add that there, and like sweet there. Okay. What if, are you mad at me that I'm just pulling things out of places? What if I just want to try something? We can put this there. I will move it a bit, and we'll move the butterflies a bit. Let's see if we can do that. What about that? Oh, I like it. I like it. It's very sweet. Very, very sweet. I don't want to add anything else because I think everything is balanced enough. So I think this is it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.